The IPS screen is awesome, across all 17 inches of it. I never realized how much better a laptop's screen could be. The speakers are incredible, I have never heard a laptop with such bass or volume. The keyboard is very nice to use, probably one of the best I've used. Not being a gamer though, I wish there was an option to have black ASDW keys and the red ones are quite bright. The battery is really quite good too, offering a good 4-5 hours of normal use, although I would expect that to be reduced when gaming. I also like how the vents are all at the back of a laptop so that you don't feel drafts at the side of the machine when working on a desk. All in all, I think it is a case of you get what you pay for with this Asus machine. Premium laptop for a premium price.